Lumen, the curious spark, greets viewers and invites them to explore how thunder and lightning brighten the sky. Lumen explains that warm air rising cools and lifts charged particles into clouds where static electricity quietly builds up. When the charge peaks, a jagged bolt travels down and a booming drumbeat follows, signaling a dramatic weather showdown. Audience members are invited to guess why lightning favors tall trees and how staying indoors keeps everyone safe. A friendly classroom balloon and rod demo shows sparks safely, while Lumen shares real-world tips for weather interviews with confidence.